The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is the ultimate statement of luxury, power, and freedom. This is not just a motorhome, it's a rolling palace, crafted with the precision of Maybach and the innovation of Mercedes-Benz. It doesn't just take you places. It redefines how you experience every journey. From the moment it comes into view, the presence is overwhelming. The iconic Maybach grille stands tall and commanding, shimmering in chrome with the double M emblem proudly displayed at its heart. Sleek LED headlamps sweep outward like the eyes of a guardian, while the sculpted body stretches into an elegant, elongated profile. The stance is bold, the wheels massive, and the details exquisite. Every inch announces that this is not just luxury travel, it's luxury reimagined. Step inside, and the world outside disappears. The cabin greets you with handcrafted perfection. Soft-touch leather, diamond stitching, piano black lacquer, and brushed aluminum surfaces blend seamlessly into a design that feels less like a motorhome and more like a private jet suite. The lighting is ambient and intelligent, shifting to match your mood, while Maybach's signature fragrance system gently fills the air with a bespoke scent crafted exclusively for this motorhome. The lounge is pure indulgence. Reclining captain's chairs with massage, heating, and cooling functions face a crystal-clear OLED entertainment wall. A fold-out table, trimmed in walnut veneer, transforms the space into either a dining room or a workspace with just a touch. Above, a panoramic roof spans nearly the entire cabin, turning the ceiling into a canvas of sky by day and stars by night. The kitchen is a masterpiece of refinement and functionality. Hidden appliances glide open silently at your command. An induction cooktop, wine cooler, smart refrigerator, and convection oven, all integrated into a marble-inspired countertop. Even the storage is automated, with touch-sensitive drawers and cabinets that open as if by magic. In the rear, the bedroom feels like a private Maybach suite. A king-size bed floats above a platform illuminated by soft underlighting, surrounded by quilted leather panels. The headboard is backlit with the Maybach insignia, glowing gently as if reminding you that this is no ordinary motorhome. Technology elevates the experience even further. A central control system powered by Mercedes MBUX interface allows you to command everything, from the climate and entertainment to lighting and suspension, by touch or voice. On the road, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is as refined as it is powerful. Beneath its body lies a hybrid V12 powertrain, combining electrified efficiency with Maybach's legendary performance. It glides silently through cities in electric mode, then unleashes effortless power on highways and mountain roads. Adaptive suspension and active roll stabilization ensure the ride is silky smooth, no matter the terrain. Safety, as expected from Mercedes, is uncompromising. Every advanced system is here: adaptive cruise, lane keeping, autonomous parking, blind spot assist, and even drone-supported 360-degree awareness for navigating tight spaces. It's not just safe, it's almost impossible to make a mistake. But beyond the specs, the design, and the technology, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome represents something greater. It is the pinnacle of mobile luxury, built for those who refuse to compromise between freedom and refinement. It's a sanctuary on wheels, a palace that moves, and a reminder that the journey can be just as extraordinary as the destination. This is not simply travel. This is Maybach travel. And with the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome, every mile is transformed into an experience worthy of royalty.